Jai Hind everyone. Myself Pragati Pandey, your maths teacher, and I'm here with a new video. Okay, so in the previous videos we have gone through the chapter 3, that is playing with numbers. We have learned the HCF and LCM, how to find the HCF and LCM of any number. Now we will move to questions based on LCM. We have already solved question based on HCF. Now it's time to solve questions based on LCM. Okay. First of all, remember the things. The LCM stands for lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Okay. LCM में हम क्या करते हैं, किसी भी नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के मेथड से हम उसका प्राइम फैक्टर निकालते हैं और उसमें जितने भी फैक्टर्स होते हैं, चाहे वो एक बार आया हो, चाहे वो 2 बार आया हो, चाहे वो जितनी बार भी आए हों, हम सारे फैक्टर्स को एक साथ लिख करके उसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. मतलब लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, मतलब जो भी इसमें जो फैक्टर्स होंगे वो कॉमन हो भी सकते हैं कई नंबर्स के बीच में और कॉमन नहीं भी हो सकते. हम उन सबको इंक्लूड करते हैं. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कंसीडर द नंबर 4 and 6. मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 आर 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. All these are multiples of 4. Okay. Now multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. If you see the common multiple of 4 and 6, in both the condition, if you see the common multiple, you will get 12, 24 and 36, other so on. So this is the lowest common multiple. Okay. Lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. That is the lowest number, which is the multiple of both the number, is 12 only. Hence the LCM is 12. Let's see this. So there are two methods to find LCM also, that is prime factorization method and division method. We will see the questions based on these two methods and solve them. Now you can see exercise 3.5. Here is question number 1. Determine the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So there are two methods for finding the LCM of any number. These methods are prime factorization method and division method. We have two questions in this exercise, that is prime factorization method and division method. Based on that, we have to find the LCM. We will learn these methods with the question by going through each and every question, and rest of the questions will be your assignment work. Let's see. The first question is 48 and 60. This is your assignment. We will move to third part of this question, that is 108, 135 and 162. So you can see here the factors of 108, 135 and 162. You can see that I have find the prime factor of all these numbers. You can see 2 when cut 108, it will give 54. 2 when cut 54, it will give 27. In this way I have done this prime factor. Now we will do the prime factorization method. We have find the factors. Now 108, its factor are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now 135, we have 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. And 162, we have 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now we will see. In this question 2 is common. Here no 2. Here it is also 2. So what we have to do? We have to write each and every fraction. Okay. Each and every factor we have to write. You can see that 3 is here 1, 2, 3 times. Here in this 1, 2, 3 times, and here it is 4 times. So 3 times here, 3 times here and 3 times here will cut each of them. That will be 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, and we have these 3 extra, so we will write also this. Now we have 2 here and 2 here, so a common 2 is here. Now we have another 2 here, except that no any 2 is there, so we will write that 2 also. It is common factor. That means the least common number will also be taken. You can see that this is not common, because this is not present in all the 3 numbers, but the least common number will also be considered, so 2 is written here. Okay, so we have taken 2, then after we have taken 3, all the 3, and this extra 3 also, and we have 1 extra 5. Okay, so this is our common factors. Now we will multiply this. 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 3 108, then after here 108 3s are 324, and 324 multiply 5, it will be 1620. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 3s are 108, 108 3s are 324, 324 into 5, that will be 1620. So our LCM is 1620. In this way you have to find the prime factorization method, the LCM of any number with the help of prime factorization method. What you have to do, you have to find the factors of each and every numbers. First of all you have to do in this way, then after you will write the factors of each and every number, and you will take each and every factor as a common, then after you will multiply the common factors, and the resultant value will be answer. Okay, so we have seen the third part of question number 1. Now moving to second question, determine the LCM of the following number by division method. Here we have to find the LCM with the help of division method. Let's see. The first part is 15, 20, 30, and the second part is 16, 28, 40, 77. We will see the second part of this question. Okay, now this is the second part of question number 2, and questions were 16, 28, 40, 77, and we have to find the LCM by the help of division method. In the division method, what we have to do, we will take all the numbers simultaneously and going through the factorization of each and every number simultaneously. Okay, so in this, if we divide 2, those number which are able to be divided by 2, they are divided in the steps. You can see when we have taken 2, the 16 is divided by 2, it is 8. Now 28 can also be divided by 2, it is also divided, and 40 is also divided by 2, that will be give 20. So all the 3 numbers are divided simultaneously. Okay, so in this way we will find the LCM of any number with the help of division method. Now what we will do, we will multiply each and every factors. 2 2 2 2, 4 times 2, multiply 5 7 11, 5 7 multiply 11. So our answer will be 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 16 5 is 80, 85 is 560, 560 multiply 11. So when 560 divided by 11, it will give 6160, that is 6160. So LCM will be 6160. So this is the method of division method to find the LCM of any number. So we have gone through question number 1 and learned how to find the find the LCM by prime factorization method, and also gone through question number 2, that is how to find the LCM by division method. These 2 questions I have gone through one part of each question, and the rest of the questions are your assignment work. Okay, so go through the video, solve the questions. Okay students, stay safe, stay healthy. We will see the exercise 3.6 in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you class.